Hi, I'm Eric Pabst, and I want to share with you a step-by-step path to eliminate negative self-talk and replace people-pleasing with genuine connection. Why listen to me? For 6 years, I've been living from desire rather than from fear or pressure. For 3.5 years, I have had almost no negative self-talk. For 3 years, my marriage has been full of emotional safety, deep joy, and four-dimensional connection, even with major struggles like my wife battling cancer. These are huge accomplishments because I came from 40 years of feeling rejected and alone. I beat myself up with negative self-talk, tried with all my willpower to be good enough and to stop failing in my life. It didn't work. I reached my lowest hell when my 24-year marriage ended in painful separation and divorce. I had originally married planning to be the knight in shining armor, but I couldn't pull it off. I was so broken I had to look for places where I could scream my pain out loud enough to find some relief. I desperately wanted to heal and become a better version of myself. As a software engineer and math tutor for 30 years, I had a gift for solving hard problems. By applying this gift and by the grace of God, I found and developed a path. I learned that when I was stuck, it was because there were obstacles in my way, insecurities, fears, unhealthy expectations, lack of desire, overwhelm, or questionable conclusions. I saw that we accumulate these triggers throughout our lives, and I found legit ways to reverse this process. By using question-based tools like the Trigger Buster, I did the work to clear these obstacles, and then I could move forward almost effortlessly. The tools provide a step-by-step path that anyone can follow to have breakthroughs on demand that heal the intellectual, emotional, and subconscious aspects of our mind. Doing this work empowered me to heal, live authentically, eliminate judgmental thoughts, and form a relationship that exceeded my imagination. If you feel stuck or isolated, please do three things. Number one, look for triggers in your way, usually specific fears, insecurities, or expectations that are draining you or holding you back. Number two, do the work using a tool like the Trigger Buster that reduces or eliminates a trigger in one sitting. Number three, move forward almost effortlessly.